Pumping your plants with extra fertilizer is pure chemical poisoning. Stop! Welcome back to the Plant Crime Files. Today's poisoned victim is Fiddy the Ficus Lyrata. He was found with crispy, dark brown leaf edges, rapidly dropping his lower foliage in a penthouse. Imagine this. The owner wanted giant leaves instantly, so they doubled the liquid chemical food dose. But under that heavy, aggressive feeding, poor Fiddy was facing a deadly, chemical-burning, toxic attack. I examined the weapon. Highly concentrated mineral salts accumulating in the dirt, burning the roots alive.
Are your plant leaves developing crispy brown outer rims? Drop a P4 in the comments right now.
Have you ever thought about this? Heavy fertilizer salts completely reverse the natural physics of watering. It triggers reverse osmosis. The toxic soil literally sucks moisture directly out of the plant's roots. This sudden dehydration causes the outer edges of the large leaves to crisp up and die. Without immediate chemical intervention, the entire root system shrivels, causing total, fatal plant collapse. I conducted a visual autopsy. The feeder roots were completely fried, brittle, dry, and white with salt crust. The official cause of death was avoided. We initiated an emergency tactical soil flushing. But Fiddy still had a pulse. We carried him straight to the emergency deep flush wash station.
Step 1. The deluge. We poured gallons of clear, room-temperature water continuously through his pot. Let the water run out the bottom drainage holes for a full 5 minutes without stopping. This intense leaching process physically dissolves and washes away the built-up chemical salt crust completely. Step 2. Amputation. I took sterilized pruning shears and clipped the heavily damaged lower leaves away. This prevents the plant from wasting nutrients on dying tissue, saving its energy for root recovery. Step 3. The fast. Do not add a single drop of fertilizer for at least 8 weeks. Only use pure, filtered water until the ficus completely stabilizes and pushes out fresh growth. When you do fertilize, always dilute the mixture to half the strength recommended on the bottle.
Plants need very little food. Less is always more when dealing with delicate indoor root cells.
Now, Fiddy has a clean, toxin-free soil environment where his roots can safely drink water again.
Never rush growth with chemical spikes. Patience is the ultimate nutrition system for indoor trees.
The fertilizer poisoning case is officially closed. Fiddy is clean, stable, and thriving. Subscribe to the Urban Leaf right now. Stop the chemical plant massacres and grow safely.